Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our fruit for thought, so let's get into it and check it out. Fruit for Thought is sent to me for review. It comes out monthly. It is a fruit and vegetable themed box. You will see she does the best themes when we get in here. Each month, it's not necessarily like, you don't think carrot or think apple, think key lime pie, banana split, fun things like that. And then she drills down and finds the cutest things you can snack on, things for your home or for you, maybe some kind of stationery, something that fits the theme. And she does such a great job matching the theme. After you see this and you want to go over and get more information about it, I will put the link down below along with my code Kathrin10, which will get you 10% off your purchase and anything that she has in the store too. When we open it up, that is what it looks like. She has the cutest tissue paper. When we get it open, that is what it looks like. Everything is well protected. We have our paperwork that says Happy New Year. Oh, this is January. Okay, Happy New Year, January theme. I'm sure it's my fault that it's late. My fault, not hers. Around the World, new for 2023. That is what the front looks like. The back gives us a little bit of information about the products that we have. And it says, after almost 7 years of fruit themes, we started branching out a bit and found that themes like dill pickle and afternoon tea treats were two of our best sellers. Going into 2023, we've decided to curate more general themes to appeal to more people. We will still include hard-to-find gifts and always fruity treats, thoughtfully curated to go with each theme. We hope you are as rejuvenated and excited by something new and different this year as we are. I am. Upcoming themes, January, this is Around the World. February is going to be Je t'aime, Paris. March is Fruity Pies, yum. And then coming soon, she's going to be Cherry Blossom, Charcuterie. That should be so interesting. Hawaiian luau and much more. And we also have a piece of paper in here that says, we apologize that the included Hammond's Candies Orange Creamsicle Stick in a fun twisty design with filled cream was missing from your December box. We hope you enjoy it, so we must have it in here. Okay, I'm gonna reach in, come right out with some springy shred and organic date syrup, halva sesame tahini bar. I have to tell you, I would have said, I've never heard of this, but for the fact that I am a Food Network junkie and they had to cook with halva. And I looked it up at the time and thought, oh, that sounds very interesting. It's their Mediterranean sweet snack. It is handcrafted in small batches from Ethiopian sesame and date syrup. It is gluten-free, kosher, organic, and vegan. 3 servings in this little fella, and they are 140 calories each. Interesting. So do I just eat it? They cooked with it, but it was a cooking show. Is it something that you just eat? It looks like a paste of some sort. Let's read more. What does this say? Halva, wholesome and nutritious, flaky and sweet. Sesame seeds halva has been enjoyed for generations throughout the Mediterranean Sea. Handcrafted in small batches using high-quality organic ingredients. Try to spread it over morning toast, crumble it over yogurt or ice cream, or just on its own, one piece at a time with a cup of tea or coffee. Don't expose it to heat, store in an airtight container, and consume within 5 days after opening. Receive either date syrup sesame halva or honey sesame halva marble with cocoa. I got the date syrup one. This, it says to eat it in its flaky bits. Once I open it, I've only got a minute. I can't tell that it's going to be flaky. I really want to get in here. Okay, well, if I think of it when I open this, I will do a little Insta. I'm trying to be a little more proactive on Insta. Okay, reaching in next. Ooh, I have something big and wrapped up like a present. I don't know what it is. Let's get into it and find out. Ooh, it's a wooden box. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this is. That is so pretty. Wowsy doodles. What does the paperwork say? Our Indian wood jewelry box is handcrafted out of shisham wood, an Indian hardwood renowned for its durability and handsome natural grain. Each wood box is made with traditional techniques that have been passed down through the generations of artisans from Saharanpur, India. Saharanpur. Yeah, sticking with that. Receive one of 2 designs. Well, mine is a cute little elephant looking at each other, and I think one of them saying, "You want to dance?" and the other one's going, "Yeah, I'll meet you in the middle." So I got dancing elephants. I just named it that. What does it look like on the inside? The carving on this, can you guys see how intricate the carving is? Oh, I know, look at that nail. Isn't that sad? Also, if you follow me on Insta, you saw its demise. That is so pretty. When we open it up, it's just a pretty box. I love the way that looks. What a beautiful design, just to set somewhere on top of like a stack of books. That's just a pretty, you guys know, we talk about it all the time. I love wood items. I think wood is so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, and I missed, right up front is where I missed this. This is the candy stick. And it is the vanilla orange creamsicle one that's cream filled. Oh, a great golly. I was just recently explaining in a box that had something from Hammond's in it. I don't know that it was a fruit for thought, that they do the candy canes that were the original candy canes that were nice and thick, and they're always, it's a really good quality candy. And this looks heavenly. Okay, next out we have Dutch stroopwafels, caramel waffle cookies, product made in Holland. That is what that looks like. I'll have to decide whether I'm going to eat that. I should eat it. My daughter is being very good now, but stroopwafels are her weakness. She loves a stroopwafel. Made in Holland, a best-selling favorite in the Netherlands, finger-licking Dutch stroopwafels by Finger Licking Dutch are made with a traditional recipe in the motherland of stroopwafels. Each waffle is made from thin layers of baked wafer with a thin layer of caramel-like syrup between. Traditionally, the stroopwafel is placed on top of a cup of coffee or tea where the moist heat warms it so that it has a crisp bite with a deliciously soft, melty caramel center. That sounds delicious. So yeah, I see something else. We have Char, Impossibly Good Trail Mix. Tropical, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, 100% organic. It says there are 1.5 servings in this container and it is 130 calories. 7 incredible ingredients, exhaustively researched, taste tested, and calibrated and ethically sourced, come together in this 100% vegan, paleo, and gluten-free trail mix. Receive Char's tropical mix of macadamia nuts from Island Harvest, Hawaii, mango from Fine Dry Foods, Mexico, pineapple from Amazi, Uganda, pecans from Guimando Valley, Texas. I struggle with the American one. Cashews from Dong Ngai, Vietnam, almonds from Turtle Rock, California, and coconut flakes from Katana, Sri Lanka. So this is a well-traveled snack that is handcrafted in Austin. Well, I cannot eat this because it has macadamia nuts in it, so I will find it at home. Everybody else in my family, except my mother, I think, can eat that. And I think last out we have, with shred around it, ooh, a bracelet. That's pretty. It is a Tagua by Soroya. I'm gonna read it another way. It's in script, and I think I am messing it up. Look how pretty that is. Very natural looking. What is this? I swear I didn't read it. Natural and exotic looking multicolor Alma bracelet, handmade with Tagua chips and organic vegetable dyes. What is a T-A-G-U-E? Tagua? Tagua? That sounds better, doesn't it? Tagua chip, handmade in Ecuador. Well, I would sure love to know what that is. If you know, let me know. I'll probably have to Google it. Super pretty. That would look, that's so natural. It would look just like with actually, kind of what I have on today, but if you had it in a more neutral tone, just with this, instead of a Fitbit, with just this, it would give it a pop. That is really pretty. That was the fruit for thought for January. So for January, we received this gorgeous Indian wooden box with the dancing elephants. They're waiting to dance. Perhaps, what do you do in a circle? They're gonna do a hoedown. What is that called? Square dance. Oh, would be a circle if it was square dancing. Moving on, Kathrin. We have stroopwafels, the halva, the pretty bracelet, this Char trail mix that we have. Yes, and then because it was missing from our December box, I'm sure it probably just came late and she didn't want to hold up the box. We got this delicious sounding candy stick. So that is what we received in our January box. I will put the link down below so you can go over and check it out. With my code Kathrin10, you will get 10% off your purchase from her site. All right. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys so much for coming over and spending time with us. I can't wait to see. The January was around the world, but next we're going with Je t'aime Paris. So she's moving on from just fruits. I wonder if she's going to keep the same name. She doesn't say anything about changing the name. So we will assume that they are staying Fruit for Thought, which by the way, and I always tag them when I do it, but when I do it on Insta, it's Fruit for Thought Gifts. Just FYI. Okay. Thank you so much guys for coming by. Have a great evening.